What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today I got an exciting one. A lot of people keep asking me, Aing, should I get 285s? Aing, what are your thoughts on your 285s? Obviously, when you're in the honeymoon phase, everything that you get, everything that you're talking about is absolutely the best. Nothing is wrong with it, and there is nothing better on the market. But we've had these 285s on for around 3,000 miles now. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a 3,000 mile update on the 285s, what I like, what I don't like, 3 reasons why, 3 reasons why not to, I guess, get these 285s. So I don't know why it's so windy. It wasn't windy earlier, but now since I'm recording a video, it wants to be super windy. So if you're at all interested in this type of video, please leave an early like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get inside the truck where the wind isn't bothering us. Sheesh, she is looking mean. This is what we're rocking with, the 285s on the TRD Sport Toyota Tacoma. She's absolutely filthy right now. I do have to get her cleaned. I'll probably wash her. I actually don't know when I'll wash her. Let's get in the truck. All right, so now that we're in the truck, we don't have to worry about the wind bothering us. Let's talk about the 3 reasons you should, but 3 reasons why you shouldn't get 285s for your Toyota Tacoma. The number one thing that you realize when you get these 285s put on your Tacoma is mainly the road noise and how awful they ride. So I have 285 7017s. They are an all-terrain tire, and that is what mainly does it. So it doesn't matter if it's a 285 or a 205. It really kind of matters what kind of tire you get. So you can get a 285 and it be a summer tire and it won't ride as awful or sound as awful as my 285 all-terrains do. So keep that in mind. But most people that get these type of tires aren't getting them in like a summer tire. Okay, we're getting these to make our trucks look cool, and well, you know, ball tires don't really look as cool as all-terrains. The second thing that I realized, like off the bat, was how much the power loss was. So they state that these Tacomas have like 260, 280 horsepower, something in the ballpark. And at the wheels you get like 200 horsepower. So already there, you don't have a lot of power to be wasting. So when I put these 285s on, it was a big difference. Just getting up my driveway, it sounds like the truck is about to fall over. Anything that it has to do with an incline, the truck absolutely freaks out. These trucks aren't made to go fast. One thing I did see some guy had on his truck, it was, you can go fast, but I can go anywhere. So if you live by that, well then that's fine. But occasionally, you know, you want to get up to speed, you want to go fast. It doesn't work in your favor when you put on 285s. The number 3 reason that I would not recommend getting 285s is gas. If you are a daily commuter, if you use this vehicle for work, 285s will not only hurt your pocket when you purchase it, but when you go to the gas station, it's going to become a lot more frequent. I don't only have this car, I also have a Corolla, and I only use this truck now on the weekends, because just on my weekend trips, like wherever I go, like if I go out to eat, I go out with friends, I go out to whatever, it's $50 right now for a gas tank in the Tacoma. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a stock Tacoma or not, 285s make it a lot more frequent. Let's talk about the positives now that we got the vegetables out the way. The number 1 reason I personally went with 285 was simply the look. I just wanted to have a truck that looked absolutely mean, like it just came back from beating Mount Everest up. So that's what I was going for. I like how this truck looks with the 285s. I feel like it's just right. The 35s are over the top, but the 285s are just perfect. I liked how they looked all across the board. I did my research. I made sure that the 285s fit in my lifestyle a little bit better than the 35s. So definitely the look is like the number 1 reason that I went with 285s. So the number 2 reason is just knowing that you have 285s. Now that sounds a little bit dumb now that I'm saying it out loud, but when I first got my truck and I was first becoming a Tacoma enthusiast, I guess you could say, and I wanted to be an off-roader and I wanted to look cool on the streets, it was like, well, I can't do this because my tires aren't big enough. I can't go to the truck meets because my tires aren't big enough. Now that I got the 285s, it makes me a lot more comfortable. Now that I know I have bigger tires, they're more meaty tires, they're more capable tires. It allows me to feel that confidence to do whatever it is that I want to do. Alrighty, and the third but not least reason that I decided to go with 285s, it was just a really big goal for me. Me and Sandy saw this lifted Toyota Tundra that was on like 35s, That thing looked sick, and it had all-terrain tires, and I knew if it had to be on my Corolla, I was gonna put some all-terrain tires. So when I got to this Tacoma, it's 4x4, and I'm thinking it's all-terrain time. So I made it a goal. I saved up, I made sure that I could afford to get in 285s, and that's what I did. 285 was a big goal for me because I liked how it looked, and I wanted my truck to look how other people's looked, if that makes any sense. So with that all being said, I hope you guys understand whether you should or you shouldn't get 285s. For me, it's a no-brainer. It's a yes. But if I could go back, I would also not do it, just because I would want to get a little bit of a smaller tire just so I could use it a lot more and be a lot more comfortable and not have to visit the gas station so much. But if you have 285s, let me know why you got 285s. If you don't have 285s, let me know why you don't get them or why you don't want to get them, because I feel like some people have very specific reasons for their trucks. A lot of people use them as tools, not as like fun or entertainment, and they just kind of watch my channel just for fun and entertainment, but they would rather watch somebody else mess up their truck and just keep their stock nice and dandy. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.